Hey everyone, it's Tim. I put together a quick video here on how to safely clean your Roccbox. Whether you like to clean your Roccbox after every use, maybe because you use a cover, or if you just like to do a deep clean once or twice a year, I've got you covered. So last week I made a steak and that splattered some grease on the front of my oven, burned it on there pretty good, got some significant carbon buildup. Now, if this were my normal pizza only routine, here's what I'd do. I'd grab my 91% isopropyl alcohol and some paper towels, I'd wipe it down, and I'd be all done. But as you can see in this case, I still had some cleaning to do. So I reached for my 4/0 superfine steel wool. I would not use the 3/0 or SOS pads or anything more aggressive. 4/0 superfine steel wool is safe on window glass, so it is a great choice for your Roccbox. Use that with a delicate abrasive like Barkeeper's Friend, Bon Ami, or even a gentle automotive cleaner. This combination with a little effort will have your Roccbox looking like new with very little effort. Finish it off with a damp cloth or more alcohol on a towel and you'll be all set. Up top on the silicone, stick to nothing but isopropyl alcohol or dish detergent with a paper towel or a cloth and you'll be looking good. There are more aggressive choices, but I do not recommend them because they leave residues that over time can deteriorate your silicone, and many are just plain nasty for use around food. So your stone will clean up by just brushing or scraping off any caked on mess and then cranking your oven up to high for about an hour. If you're not using flour or semolina or cornmeal, your stone will remain pretty clean and just your normal preheat time will be enough to have you ready to bake your next pizza. So anyway, hope this was helpful. I'm going to toss the cover back on and be ready for next time. Make pizza, make friends, spread love.